Hi guys, this is the 86 Rygens Falcon project by Expat Drive, and today I'm gonna do a taillight upgrade install. So I got this beautiful set of smoke Valenti Sequential Tail Lights from 86 Speed Factory a few weeks ago, but I didn't have a time to install it, so I'm only doing it now. So let's see what's in the box. When I first received the package, this box was all covered with black plastic on top and bubble wrap all over. So they've done a great job securing the box to make sure that the package will be in best condition once you receive it. And when you open it, it also have a full bubble wrap cover inside the package, to make it even more safer and secure. So let's see how does it look like. To start the install, we would need to remove two of this clip, one here and one there, the clip that's holding this liner. So once we already remove the clip, we will be able to access the tail lights. Okay, so we just finished the installation of both tail lights, and we already plug in the power and tighten up the bolt. There are 4 bolts here and 4 on the other end, and if you will notice, there is a switch here. So this switch is for the sequential signal pattern. So if we switch it on, sequential will work, and then if we switch it off, of course it will switch off. So now we're going to test it. That's it guys, and that's how easy to install the Valenti tail lights upgrade.